I am Neha Parmar, a facilitator from Amalkhana DAV Public School, Dwarka, and this is a PowerPoint presentation and subject is mathematics. Class 3rd, Lesson 1, Numbers up to 9999, Part 1. Topics to be covered: relation between places, place value chart, places and place value of a digit in a given numeral. Let's start by understanding relation between places. Now children, this is a small cube which represents the place ones. Now when 10 such cubes are joined, it forms a stick, and this stick is represented by the place tens. Now tell me children, 110 is equal to how many ones? Yes, 10 ones. Now this is 110. Now, when 10 such sticks are joined, it forms a slab, and this slab is represented by 100. Now, tell me, children, 100 is equal to how many tens? Yes, it is equal to 10 tens. Now, children, this 100 is there. Now, when 10 such hundreds are these are 10 such hundreds are joined, it forms a big cube, and this big cube is called 1000. Now tell me, 1000 is equal to how many hundreds? That means this big cube is found by joining how many hundreds? Yes, 10 hundreds. Very good. Now let's recall. This represents ones place. This represents tens place. This slab represents hundreds place. And this big cube represents thousands place. Now children, look at this picture. Can you tell me what number does this represent? Yes, come on, think. Very good. This represents the number 2325. Now let's study the place value chart. Children, can you tell me these black color boxes represents what? Yes, this represents places. Children, how many places are there? There are 4 places. Very good. Ones, tens, hundred, and thousands. So that means a 4-digit numeral has 4 places. Now let's recall relation between places. Now tell me 1/10 is how many ones? Yes, 10. 100 is how many tens? 10 tens. 1000 is how many hundreds? Yes, 10 hundred. Now tell me 1000 is how many tens? Yes, it's a bit tricky. Now children, let me help you in getting the answers very easily using a place value chart. So this was your question and this is the place value chart. Now children, just remember the trick. When we move from ones to tens place, we multiply by 10. That means 10 ones is 110. That means 110 is 10 1. We are moving from 1 to tens, so we multiply by 10. When we move from tens to 100, we again multiply by 10. So 100 is 10 tenths. Now tell me children, when we move from 100 to 1000, we multiply the 100 place by, yes, 10. So 1000 is 10 hundredths. Now children, when we are moving from tens to 1000, how many jumps we are doing? One, two jumps. So when we multiply by 10 when we do one jump. So when we do two jumps, we multiply by 10 into 10. That is 100. So 10 is, so 1000 is 100 tenths. Very good. So wasn't that simple? Yes. Now show the following numbers on the place value chart. This is the number and this is the way by which we represent the given number on the place value chart. Now children, tell me, what is the place of 9? Yes, it is 1000. Can you tell me the place value of 9? So children, for getting the place value, we write the number followed by its place, that is 1000. So this is the way to get the place value of the given digit. Now tell me, what is the place of 5? Hundreds. So what is the place value of 5? Yes, 500. So let's see. The place value of 9 is 9000. Place value of 5 is 5000. Children, we can say place and we can also say place value, or we can also say value. Both are same. Now children, tell me, what is the place of 1? Yes, it's tens. So what is the value of 1? That is 1 tenth or 10. We can write it any of the ways. Can you tell me the place of 4? Yes, it is ones. And place value or the value of 4 is 4 or 4 ones. Now B part again, the value of 3 is 3000. Value of 7 is 700. Value of 9 is 9 tenths or 90. Value of 8 is ones, 8 ones or 8. Now this is worksheet 1 from the book. You have to do it in the book itself. In the first part, you have to write the number abacus is given. Can you tell me how many rings are there in thousand place? Yes, there are 3 rings. So we'll write 3. And 100 stick, how many rings are there? 4. So we'll write 4 here. Then we'll write 1. And here there are 5 rings. So we'll write 5. So this is the way of getting the number from the given abacus. Similarly, you can do all the parts. In question number 2, the number is given. You have to represent the following number on the abacus. Now tell me, children, how many? What is the place of 3 here? It's 1000 place. So how many rings will be drawing in 1000 place? Yes, 3 rings. How many rings will be drawing at 100 place? Very good. 4 rings. How many rings will be drawing in tens place? Very good. 2 rings. And in one place, since the digit is 0, so we won't be drawing any ring. So this way, you have to complete this worksheet in the book. Now, we have worksheet 4, which need to be done in the notebook. Question number 1 says, draw the abacus in the notebook and show the value of the encircled digit. Can you tell me in the A part which number is circled? 2. And what is the place of 2? Yes, it is tens. So here you will be drawing an abacus, writing the places on the top, and in tens stick you will be drawing how many circles? Two circles, and remaining sticks will be left empty because in this question you have to draw the abacus and show the value. So this is the way to show the value of the circle digit on the abacus. Second part is also write the value. So what is the value of 2? 20. Very good. In part B, again, you have to draw the abacus. And what is the place of 1? That is 1000. So in 1000 stick, you'll be drawing one circle and remaining sticks will be left empty. And you also have to write the value of 1. In C part, again, draw the abacus and in 100 place, draw two rings and write the value. Question number 2, write the value of the encircled digit. Here, the circle digit is 7. Can you tell me the place of 7? Yes, it is 1000. And what is the value of 7? 7000. In B part, the circle digit is 8 and its place is 100 and its value is, its place is tens, its value is 8 tens. In C part, the circle digit is again 8. Can you tell me the place of 8? Yes, it is 100 and the value is 800. In D part, the circle digit is 3 and its value is 3 or 3 ones. So now note the following points, children. Worksheet 1 to be done in the book. Worksheet 4, question number 1, ABC to be done in mathematics notebook. Question number 2, ABC and D to be done in mathematics notebook. I hope you enjoyed today's class. Keep practicing and do the work in the notebook and in the book. Thanks for watching.